Search, advertising and marketing criteria, information deep dive. So you recognize that expenses are up, and the reason, however, was specified a high cost. What should you strive for in lowering your own? Well, start with the general average for Google Ads in 2022. The typical click-through rate was 6.30%. Average cost per click came in at $2.96. Ordinary conversion price 7.26%. Average cost per lead $40.74. Google Ads benchmark overhaul averages 2022. But while total averages aid us to see broader trends, each of these metrics vary widely when you price down by industry. So in the data that adheres to, we offer industry-specific information and additions to more insights and also ideas to assist you better recognize and improve your performance in regards to your rivals. Click to leap to a particular metric. Typical click-through price. Average expense per click. Typical conversion rate. Typical price per lead. Typical click-through price in Google advertisements 2022. Click-through rate is the percent of ads impact that results in a click and helps to show you just how pertinent your advertising is to the target market. A click-through rate of 1% indicates that 1 out of every 100 people that see your ad click on it. Click-through rate is very important since it's used to establish your anticipated click-through rate, which is factored right into your quality rating, which impacts your price per click. The average click-through rate for Google Ads in 2022 is 6.30%. Industries with the most affordable click-through rates consist of apparel, fashion, jewelry, shopping, collectibles, gifts, and also furnishings at 2.4%. Furnishings and clothing had the lowest CTRs last year, while shopping, collectibles, gifts was further up on the listing. Industries with the highest possible ordinary click-through rate are the same as in 2015, which are arts, entertainment, sports, recreation, as well as travel, all above 10%. The variant in CTRs can likely be attributed to distinctions in individual internet and decision making, depending upon what industries they're going shopping in. For instance, in the arts entertainment classifications, a person choosing to specifically show or place might be more likely to click via on an outcome, while in the apparel, fashion, jewelry classifications, a person buying shirts might do even more surfing. And also, product searches often tend to return even more advertisement results per web page, approximately 30% shopping ads on desktops and also up to 15 on mobiles, which might bring a lower CTR per advertisement, as well as the item pictures enable a customer to make a decision without clicking whether the item is what they want. Google shopping ads on the SERP, that's SERP. Typical click-through price year over year. 78% of the industry in this record saw a boost in CTR. Nevertheless, in aggregate for all industries in overall, there was no change in CTR. Industries with the greatest decrease in CTR consists of shopping, collectible, gifts, minus 51% apparel, fashion and jewellery, minus 23% and arts, entertainment, minus 17%. Nevertheless, arts entertainment is on an outer to start with, so while it had sufficient decrease, it still had and has traditionally had the highest CTR of all the industries we checked out. Industries with the biggest boosts in the CTR include careers, employment, plus 56%, attorneys and legal, plus 32%, and sports and recreations, plus 32%. Just how to improve your click-through price. If you're seeking to reduce click-through prices, then your marketing standards have a look at your ad copy as well as targeting. Are there other attributes, benefits, or emotional tones you can experiment with? Is the messaging highly relevant to not just the key phrase, however likewise the searchers? Remember that while higher CTRs can lower price per click, it will certainly increase cost per lead if those clicks aren't permanent. So you might intend to review your search phrase listings to make sure they're really relevant to your service. You can locate much more techniques to enhance your click-through prices. Ordinary cost per click in Google Advertising 2022. How much you pay for a given click on your advertisement is established in real time by a complicated formula that takes into account the competition degree of the key phrase, your bids, your rival proposals, as well as your ad's top quality. Your ordinary expense per click, nevertheless, is figured out by splitting total project spends by total variety of clicks. Therefore, greater click-through prices are generally associated with reduced costs per click. The ordinary price per click in Google advertisements in 2022 is $2.96. Industries with the lowest ordinary price per click, closest to $1, consists of arts and home entertainment, apparel, fashion, jewelry, and sports recreation. These markets have consistently reduced CPRCs because of their high click-through rates, although apparel has actually been closer to $2 or $3 in years past. Industries with the greatest average price per click, $6 to $8, are additionally regular with years past, as they often tend to have reduced click-through prices. These are attorney, legal solutions, dentists, dental services, as well as home and home enhancements. Typical costs year over year, 5.7% of the market in this record saw a boost in cost per click, with an ordinary total boost of 2%. Tenuity likewise found a rise in cost per click of 7% year by year in its Q3 report. One of the most considerable declines were in apparel, fashion, jewellery, came in at minus 53%. Education instruction came in at minus 27%, as well as shopping, collectible gifts came in at minus 26%. As pointed out earlier, CTRs as well as CPCs are typically vice versa correlated, but of these three industries, only education instructions had a boost in CTR year over year. The section with the target increase in expense per click were travel plus 15%, as well as arts and entertainment plus 44%, similar to the above, just in the former boosted in CTRs minus 18%, while the lower was minus 17%. I hope you got some insights out of some of that. If you like my videos, please press the like button, and also the bell above and all next to it will bring you a notification when I put another video online. Hope to see you again soon. This is Ian Jackson saying thank you for watching and goodbye.